So how does this apply to you and I? The star that we are talking about, that we are asking ourselves to trace, is clarity of purpose. In Matthew chapter 2, verse 2, he said, we have seen the star. We saw his star in the east, and we have come to worship him. Clarity of purpose. The star is the clear purpose of an individual's life.